4 new tires. Grazie, Mr. Lightning, grazie.
Would you look at that?
Our first real customer in years. I am filled with tears of ecstasy, for this is the most glorious day of my life.
All right, Luigi. Give me the best set of black walls you've got.
No. You don't know what you want. Luigi know what you want. Black wall tires, they blend into the pavement. But these white wall tires, they say, look at me. Here I am. Love me.
All right, you're the expert. Oh, and don't forget the spare.
Perfetto. Guido!
Pit stop!
Well, if you ever plan to go to West.
What did Luigi tell you, eh?
Wow, you were right. Better than a Ferrari, huh?
No.
Get your kicks on Route 66.
Wow, this organic fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man. The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch of lies, man.
Okay, I'll take a case.
It goes through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty, you see. Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingston, Mascot, San Bernardino, won't you get hip to this kind of shit? Take that California trip.
Ka-chow.
Here she comes.
Okay, places, everybody. Hurry. Act natural.
Hi, Sally.
All right, what's going on?
Ladies and gentlecars, please welcome the new Lightning McQueen.
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
I'll say, ciao. You're gonna fit right in California. Oh my goodness, it looks like you've helped everybody in town.
Yeah, everybody except one.